you're used to kind of a certain way of operating, but to come to Dash to see a lot of people that all kind of have this shared sense of what the right way to do something is, kind of a culture of DevOps readiness, of being responsive. To me, that's the thing that you kind of get that fire in yourself. You go back to your company and then you have a much bigger appetite to try to make change within your company, within your group.
So it was really interesting to kind of hear about how other companies have transitioned away from legacy architecture into microservices, which I think is a common problem at a lot of startups. And it was really interesting to hear how big companies have kind of been able to make that transition in a lot of detail. So I really enjoyed those.
A lot of the tooling that Datadog is building is essential to the SRE function and is critical for running services at large scale.
It's clear that if you're running a large, high-throughput web application, you need to understand what's going on at every layer of the stack.
We want to know everything about each one of our viewers' experience, which means a lot of logs, hence logging without limits.